physically at the offices of the agency that manages TMC's political campaign. The IPAC, after ED today conducted raids on the premises of IPAC offices as well as the house of its co-founder Pratik Jain. Mamata Banerjee was seen thundering into the offices with several policemen in tow. ED has now said that they have walked away with some crucial evidence in the form of some hard disks, some documents, as well as some electronic evidence. And on your screens, we are playing out visuals of Mamata Banerjee at that site. She had earlier come out to announce that there is going to be a dharna. And the action is supposed to only peak right now as West Bengal government, Mamata Banerjee, her party are all upping the ante against the Enforcement Directorate. They had said that they will be staging a dharna at that spot. My colleague Rajesh now joins us for more on this. Rajesh, what is on the cards in Kolkata?
Yes, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has already left the office of IPAC in Kolkata, where ED was searching, where ED was carrying out the search operation in connection with the coal smuggling case. But while leaving the office of IPAC, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said us that she will be back after attending a program where she was invited. So after attending the event, she will be back over here again, and we are getting information from the sources that ED has already moved to Calcutta High Court against the move of Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, because she arrived the location where ED was already carrying out the search operation. And after arriving the location, Mamata Banerjee allegedly took away some key evidences, including physical documents and electronic devices. So after which Mamata Banerjee arrived at the office of IPAC from the home of IPAC Director Pratik Jain, where Mamata Banerjee's some close aides and Bengal Police Corps, Bengal Police persons also took away some physical documents from the Enforcement Directorate. So following which ED has already moved to Calcutta High Court against the alleged obstruction during the investigation, during the ongoing investigation by the Central Probe Agency, and this case will be heard by the single bench of Calcutta High Court tomorrow. And now, after Mamata Banerjee had announced that TMC will carry out several strong protests across the state against the raid which was conducted by ED at the office of IPAC, which is the political strategist organization of Trinamool Congress. So now all the district leaders have been instructed by the TMC leaders to carry out the protest. So several districts have already started protesting at their
in fact, we can see those visuals of how TMC workers and leaders have taken to the streets. You can see them carrying banners against ED and CBI and protesting on the streets in West Bengal after a call was given by their Chief Minister. My colleague Abhishek joins us from line of protest, from the site of protest. Abhishek, what are the protesters demanding?
देखिए, बिल्कुल टीएमसी की जो मुख्यमंत्री पश्चिम बंगाल की हैं ममता बनर्जी, उन्होंने कहा था कि आज शाम को एक हर ब्लॉक में जो प्रदर्शन है वो किया जाएगा। और इस वक्त हम मुर्शिदाबाद के बहरमपुर में हैं और यहाँ अगर आप देखेंगे तो हाथों में टीएमसी के झंडे लिए हुए तमाम टीएमसी के जो कार्यकर्ता हैं वो आपको नजर आएंगे। और यहाँ पर सभी लोग जो है वो प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे। अब से कुछ देर में ये जो पूरा प्रोटेस्ट है यहाँ से शुरू होगा और उसके बाद यहाँ से डिमांड की जाएगी। क्या कहेंगे आप लोग आए हैं प्रोटेस्ट में, क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग? बोलबे तुम्ही बताएंगे आप लोग?
আমরা জিডির সৈনিক এই অন্যায় এই অত্যাচার মেনে নেব না। 2026-এ আমরা বিজেপিকে বুঝিয়ে দেব যে কত ধানে কত চাল, এই মিথ্যা নোংরামি।
टीम कह रहे हैं कि 2026 में जो है
All right, we'll try and get in that connection fixed. But you can see the protesters out on the streets protesting across Bengal, especially in Kolkata, against the exercise being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. Rajesh, in the first official statement that has been issued by the ED, they have said that everything was being done according to process. There was nothing political about what they had intended to do. Everything was, in fact, going on peacefully. successfully till Mamta Banerjee decided to intervene with a large posse of policemen in tow. Tell us more about ED's next plan of action. They have also alleged that Mamta walked away with some crucial evidence. Are we going to see any attempts being made to retrieve that evidence?
The allegation against Bengal Chief Minister is she took away some key evidences, including some physical documents and some electronic devices. If we look out at the press release which has been issued by Enforcement Directorate, here ED has said that during the search operation, Deputy Commissioner Police South Kolkata and officer in charge of Shakespeare Saroni Police Station came to the premises along with one personnel to verify the identity of the officials. The Commissioner of Police Kolkata also entered the premises shortly thereafter along with other several officers of Kolkata Police. They were briefed about the proceedings by the authorized officers of Enforcement Directorate, who also showed him the identity card. Now ED is saying proceedings were being conducted in a very peaceful and professional manner till the arrival of Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. And Ms. Mamta Banerjee, along with the large number of police officials, entered the residential premises of Pratik Jain and took away key evidences including physical documents and electronic devices. The most important part is, according to ED, the CM's convoy then proceeded to the IPAC's office premises from where Ms. Mamta Banerjee and her aides and the state police personnel forcibly removed physical documents and electronic devices from ED officials. So that is a serious charges leveled by Enforcement Directorate against Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, her close aides, and but we are not sure who are those close aides, because TMC MLA Tapos Chatterjee and Shobhuji Chatterjee also with Mamta Banerjee inside the office of IPAC in Kolkata, where ED was carrying out the raid. So it is an allegation by ED that some close aides of Mamta Banerjee took away some key evidence from ED, and also it is also alleged that some state police personnel who were with the Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee also took away some physical documents from the ED officials. So that is the main allegation by
BJP has been alleging that this is nothing but subversion and absolute abuse of political power, where Mamta Banerjee has used the state security personnel to take away crucial evidence from the sites that were being raided and searched by the Enforcement Directorate. Abhishek, ED insists that this was all procedural, that they were looking into the alleged coal scam, that somehow IPAC had some links to money being laundered. What do these people who are protesting on the streets of Murshidabad have to say about those allegations?
Well, absolutely, we would like to talk about the protests, that what they are demanding, and as Mamta Banerjee said that on the street of all blocks in West Bengal, the protesters of TMC will come and they will protest. आप लोग protest कर रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
ईडी चाहे जो भी कर ले, ईडी सरकार को जितना भी गिराना चाहे, ये सरकार गिरने नहीं वाली है। फिर से आएगी ममता बनर्जी और ममता बनर्जी रहेगी, कोई हिला नहीं सकता है, चाहे जो भी कर ले, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। ममता बनर्जी है, ममता रहेगी और ममता हमेशा ही रहेगी।
आप लोग क्या कहेंगे?
ममता दिखे देखते चाहे हमरा यही रहेंगे।
आप लोग क्या कहेंगे? आज जो पूरा हुआ है, ईडी की कार्रवाई हुई है, उसको आप लोग कैसे देख रहे हैं? और जो पूरा आज आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, डिमांड क्या क्या है?
डिमांड है ये जो ये हो रहा है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। जो होगा सामने से होगा, पीछे से यू बढ़ के कैसे कर रहा है? हमसे आके मिले, हम लोग को साथ सामने से मुकाबला करें। जो डॉक्यूमेंट हम लोग को छीन लिया, वो सामने से आकर दीजिए। हमको यही बोलना है। कोई इल्जाम लगा के, कोई झूठ मूठ का कोई भी हिला नहीं सकता है। ममता बनर्जी एक आइकॉनिक है हमारा, ठीक है। और जो भी ईडी जो भी प्लान कर रहे हैं सरकार गिराने के लिए, इससे कुछ फायदा होने वाला तो नहीं है। इसके वजह से एक फायदा होगा, अभी है और सामने भी रहेगा ममता बनर्जी पार्टी, और ममता बनर्जी ऑलवेज जिंदाबाद।
You see a large number of protesters, including that of the female protesters, women, a large number of women are standing.
But Abhishek, the raids were not conducted on TMC offices. The raids were not conducted on any political party's offices. The raids were conducted on a political consultancy firm's offices. How are they seeing it as TMC offices being targeted? Because even Mamta Banerjee said that.
Well, definitely we will ask some questions to them only that ये जो पूरा रेड हुआ था ये तो आईपैक पे हुआ, ये टीएमसी पे नहीं हुआ, फिर आखिर आप लोग क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं?
देखिए जो भी था आया तो ममता बनर्जी पे है ना, इसमें जो भी उन लोगों का डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो चुराया हुआ है, लेकिन आया सिर्फ ममता बनर्जी पे। तो जो भी आपने अभी बोला कि आईपैड में था, तो फिर जाके आईपैड पे ये होना चाहिए था, ममता बनर्जी पार्टी पे क्यों आ रहा है? जो भी हुआ है ना, और हम लोग यही मानते हैं आपको जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए वो चुराने का जरूरत क्या है, गलत इल्जाम लगाने का जरूरत क्या है? आपको जो चाहिए हम दे रहे हैं, आप आइए ममता बनर्जी से पूछिए, बैठिए, उनसे बात कीजिए, फेस टू फेस कीजिए, ठीक है ना? ऐसे नहीं होगा, सरकार कभी गिरा नहीं पाओगे, सरकार है और रहेगा और हमेशा रहेगा। ममता बनर्जी जिंदाबाद, ठीक है? ममता ऐसा लेके जाएगा, ममता बनर्जी रहेगा, ममता बनर्जी रहेगा। नहीं करेगा, नहीं करेगा, सरकार आके ममता बनर्जी रहेगा, ममता बनर्जी रहेगा, ममता बनर्जी रहेगा।
This is the anger, and they are saying that when the raid was on IPAC, it directly or indirectly impacted TMC also, because IPAC is IPAC is supporting, or IPAC is the political consultancy which is helping TMC in Bengal election. So they are saying that Mamta Banerjee should have questioned, she should have asked about the time also, but they are protesting here. A large number of protesters are standing here and they are demanding that why it is conducting this side of raid. If they want to ask questions, then they can summon or they can ask questions. आप क्या कहेंगे जो पूरा अभी हुआ है प्रोटेस्ट? अब प्रोटेस्ट हर ब्लॉक में करने की बात आ रही है।
यहाँ पे जो आप लोग देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे जो रैली जो हम लोग महिला है यहाँ पे, आज हम लोग का जो चेयरमैन है नारगोपाल मुखर्जी, हम लोग का आइकॉनिक, हम लोग का बहरमपुर का सुपर हीरो, तो उनका नेतृत्व में हम लोग एक रैली करेंगे। इसमें हम लोग उनके जो ईडी का जो हमारे जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स उन्होंने ऐसा गलत इल्जाम लगाया, इसके वजह से हम लोग एक रैली करेंगे। जो हमारा जो बहरमपुर का चेयरमैन है वो रैली होगा हमारे चेयरमैन के निर्देश अनुसार, ठीक है? हम लोग यहाँ से निकलेंगे।
आप लोग क्या कहेंगे? आप लोग भी आई हैं क्या?
एक ही बात ममता बनर्जी रहेगी, एक गलत काज करा।
ईडी की रेड को आप लोग कैसे देख रहे हैं?
नहीं, अच्छी नहीं देखा, गलत देखा।
See, the large number of protesters are standing here and
Okay.
they will march, they will protest, and they are
They will march, they will protest. They are saying that it was an indirect attack on Mamta Banerjee. It is in fact something that cannot be ignored, that it was Mamta Banerjee who made it about herself and the TMC by marching up to the offices even when a central agency was conducting a raid, a search on the premises. Was that the best course of action that was resorted to by Mamta Banerjee? That is the debate that is going on right now. ED has now approached the courts against what happened at IPAC offices today. We are tracking all the details from the courts, outside and on the roads. Keep watching Times Now, taking a very quick break.